So let's start our video and we shall begin with the head batter. Head batter, it is used for something advisable. When we say it is advisable, like should. But what is the difference between should and had better? That if you don't do something, if you don't do that thing which is asked for, so something bad might happen. For example, there are possibilities of rains. There are possibilities of rain. We had better there are possibilities of rain. We had better. So as you can see, the actual sentence of the usage of had better is this one. Okay, we had better take an umbrella. It means it is advisable. It is advisable to take an umbrella. Why? There are possibilities of rain. If it rains and we don't take an umbrella, we can get wet or possibly later on we fall ill. Okay, so had better. So things to be remembered that after the subject we write had better and then first form of the verb. After that the object. Right? So apparently it seems a past tense with had. We had better take an umbrella. But it is about either present or future. बज़ाहिर तो ये हमें पास्ट का सेंटेंस लगता है, लेकिन ये एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर के बारे में कहा जाता है. तो ऐसे काम के लिए हैड बेटर इस्तेमाल करते हैं जिसके लिए हम मुनासिब समझते हैं कि ये एडवाइजेबल है और अगर इस पर अमल ना किया तो कुछ बुरा हो सकता है. ठीक है, आई हैड बेटर गो नाउ और आई विल बी लेट. I had better go now or I will be late. I had better go now. So it is about present. So it is advisable to go now. If I don't go now, I will be late. So that will be the consequences. Okay, so let's come to the third sentence. The restaurant might be crowded. The restaurant might be crowded. We had better make a reservation. एक सेंटेंस में इसका नेगेटिव भी बना देता हूं. You don't look very well. You don't look Very well. You had better not go to work today. You had better not go to work. और इसमें जो है वो not to go to work नहीं लिखेंगे. It is wrong to write not to go to work. So subject had better, only not, and base form, not the infinitive, only first form. To के साथ जो है हम infinitive इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. So this is the way of writing negative sentence of. Let's come to its time. It's time somebody did something. कि किसी को कोई भी काम जो है वो कर लेना चाहिए था. तो when we use it's time somebody did something, it is for complaining way. It is criticizing way. Or when we think someone should have already done something, कि ये काम पहले ही हो जाना चाहिए था, अब तक क्यों नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हुआ मतलब कंप्लेन या क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं आप किसी को. सो व्हाई आर यू स्टिल इन बेड, इट्स टाइम यू गॉट अप. आप अभी तक क्यों सोए हुए हैं, अभी तक क्यों बेड पर हैं, अब तक तो आपको उठ जाना चाहिए था. तो ये थोड़ी सी नाराजगी का भी इजहार है, कंप्लेन भी है, शिकायत भी है और क्रिटिसाइज भी कर रहे हैं, यानी तनकीद भी कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर. ये तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुई कि आप अभी तक सोए हुए हैं. ठीक है ना. कि इधर भी हमने इट्स टाइम जो है वो लिखा वर्ब जो है वो सेकंड फॉर्म में है. हैड उधर सेकंड फॉर्म में था, थर्ड फॉर्म में था, और यहां पर जो है वो मेन वर्ब जो होगा वो सेकंड फॉर्म में होगा. इट्स टाइम यू गॉट. तमाम सेंटेंसेस में इट्स टाइम के इसी तरह से होगा. इट्स टाइम द गवर्नमेंट डिड समथिंग अबाउट डियरनेस. This is a kind of complaint or criticism that government has done nothing about dearness. It's time the government did something about dearness. It means government should have already done something about dearness. It is getting out of hand, or it is getting out of bearing by the poor people, right? So it's time the government, here is the second form, did, like God. Next sentence, it's time the plane took off. जहाज को अब तक उड़ जाना चाहिए था, पहले ही उड़ जाना चाहिए था, काफी लेट हो गया है. सो इट्स टाइम द प्लेन टुक ऑफ. इट्स ऑलरेडी एन आवर लेट. सो अगेन सेकंड फॉर्म. सो it's time the plane took off. It means it's complaining why the plane hasn't taken off yet. it's a complaint. It is about a type of criticism. In the opinion of the speaker, the plane should have taken off earlier.